What's up, y'all? On my Primetime series today, I'm gonna show y'all how to touch up an undercut. First things first, grab some gloves. We're gonna put the cape on her. Put a neck strip on. I'm gonna lift her hair up and put it in a ponytail. So now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this 2-guard, I'm gonna start at the bottom, and I'm not gonna touch any of this hair. I'm only gonna cut this bottom. Now I'm using the comb. As you see, I'm holding this hair up so that I do not cut none of that. And sometimes you could use your fingers, whatever, but pretty much right at the line, all I wanna do is just cut this bottom part. So now I'm gonna grab my Andis wireless liners and I'm gonna touch up the bottom, and as well, I'm gonna redo this line, the triangle, and then I'm gonna throw in some V's in here too. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna now start carving out this line right here. Same thing, I'm just carving out just that bottom line. Following that same down the line, I'm gonna put that point right here. Same thing right over here to right here. I'm grabbing the Andis Masters clipper. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fade out the top of these V's. I'm gonna keep the bottom dark as possible, and I'm gonna have it go from light to dark on each one. So now I'm gonna put my 16 guard on, 1/16 guard. When I'm using the blade, I put shave gel on it. And what it does is it moisturizes the skin, and it takes away from the irritation, and it allows the blade just to slide nice and smooth. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start low right away. So with my 1/8 guard, what I'm gonna do, because her hair goes the opposite way right here, I'm gonna go down on it to knock out any hair that might be longer than a 2. Same thing, I could start from the top, just go down. All right, so now turn it upside down, go the opposite way. Because right now I'm just making sure that that blend looks good and clean. Take off the neck strip. Clean up any of the bottom hair that might be there. What I like to use for women, and any of you barbers should know, use some witch hazel. It's nice, it's smooth. It might not smell the best, but it's real smooth for their skin, and it does the same thing as the blue stuff or the hot stuff for the men, you know? So I recommend witch hazel for sure for the women. Put it on. There's one last process to this masterpiece. After you're done with something like this, you better take a little boomerang or something. Take a little boomerang. That easy, you know what I'm saying?